This program is brought to you by IG. Trade over 12,000 shares and ETFs, including major tech giants with extended hours on an award-winning platform. IG, where traders are made.
All right, stock of the day was certainly in the headlines over the weekend. Nine Entertainment, following the resignation of its chairman, Peter Costello, comes after Costello was accused of aggressive behaviour towards a journalist at Canberra Airport and a whole bunch of other reasons for his resignation. Also mentioned the need for the chair to receive full support of all directors ahead of the next decade. Catherine West succeeds him. She was the deputy chair of Nine until Sunday evening when the announcement came out. West worked for 17 years as the legal and business affairs director at UK broadcaster Sky and joined the board, Nine board in 2016. Nine Entertainment is down about 30% since the start of the year, flat today. Let's bring in the view of David Novac from Wealthwise Entertainment. David, what do you think of how's the chart for Nine looking?
Shocking.
Okay.
Yeah, it's just on its trend alone. You would not touch this right now. Broke down when it was about $1.90 was the time to get out. As you can't see it right there, but you can see where it was going sideways when it broke down. 190 was your stop level really on this, and where it is right now, $1.40. Yeah, it looks very weak on the trend, and also that is compounded by the weak earnings of Nine as well, and there's their return on equity has just deteriorated over the last couple of years. So, yeah, this is one to avoid in my book. Just keep away from until you see a turnaround in the trend of the chart, and also earnings as well. And I think they've got a cultural issue. I've been told at Nine as well.
Yeah.
So, avoid this one and sell.
Okay.
Sell.
Down to those lows of 2020, just prior to the just after the pandemic drop there. Gary Glover from Novus, what's your reading on Nine at the moment?
Yeah, no, look, it's interesting. Obviously, I saw a few people talking about there being some value there. Obviously, now down to around about 10, 11 times earnings there. They are forecast to grow their earnings next year, but yeah, luckily we're not a fundamental show today, so we don't have to worry about that. We just look at the price action here, and David's 100% spot on here. The big level actually was $1.80. I think Dave might have a level there, but it's had three touches of 180, and there's a sort of a great technical phrase there. So I know sort of Gann talks about price testing a zone like 3 times. If it goes back a 4th time, don't wait for the break, just go with it.
Right.
So it's basically on the 4th attempt of 180, it's gone straight through. And that stock was sort of sitting between 180 and 220, which is like a 40-cent price range.
Yep.
And now it's broken that 180, it's gone 40 cents to the 140. So it's a bit of a technical, people are looking at sort of measuring ranges and then the projections there. It has come down to that projected level. But if you look at the chart there, the volume on each of the down legs has been probably double the volume on terms of any sort of counter bounce or anything like that. So been pretty aggressive selling all the way down here. So, catching a falling knife here, trying to buy value. So it'll be an avoid for me until we start to sort of see some higher lows start to develop there. But very ugly looking chart, really.
Okay, all right. So an avoid from both David and Gary on Nine Entertainment, which is our stock of the day.
This program was brought to you by IG, Australia's #1 CFD provider. Trade over 17,000 markets with extended hours on key US shares and competitive spreads. All on an award-winning platform. IG, where traders are made.